Hi friends, welcome back to Way to English. In this video, we are going to be learn about tenses. The first tense is simple present tense. In simple present tense, I will give you some examples. You can understand how to talk about a simple present tense. The first example is he talks. He talks. The second one is he doesn't talk. He doesn't talk. Third one is does he talk? Does he talk? The fourth one is why? Why does he talk? This is a simple present tense. Now we take about simple past tense. Simple past tense. In this simple past tense, he talked. The second one is he did not. Did not means didn't. He did not talk. He did not talk. The third one is why he did. Why he did talk. Why he did talk. The fourth one is did he talk. Did he talk. Now we talk about the simple future tense. Simple future tense. In simple future tense, he will talk, and will he talk? We can tell will he talk? Why will he talk? Why will he talk? Why will he talk? Why will he talk? Now we take about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. In this present continuous tense, it's little bit confusion, but you can understand that. The first one is he is talking. He is talking means now I am talking. The second one is he talking? Is he talking? Why he is talking? Why he is talking? Now we talk about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. In this past continuous tense, the first one is he was talking. He was talking. It was happened. And the second one is he was not. He was not talking. It means I am not talking. Was he talking? It's a question. Was he talking? Why was he talking? This is also a question. Why was he talking? So in this we can tell about next one is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. The first one is he will be talking. He will be talking. And he won't be talking. He won't be talking. It means he will not be talking. The third one is will he be talking? Will he be talking? And the fourth one is why will he be talking? Why will he be talking? Now we talk about the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Example is he has talked. He has talked. He has not, hasn't, has not, he has not talked. The third one is has he talked? Has he talked? Fourth one is why has he talked? Why has he talked? Now we talk about the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In this past perfect tense, the first one is he had talked. He had talked. He had not talked. He had not talked. He had not talked. Had he talked? Question. Had he talked? Had he talked? Question. And you can tell why had he talked? Why had he talked? Why had he talked? Question. Now we talk about the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. In this future perfect tense, the first one is he will have talked. It we use very rare. He will have talked. He will. The next one is he will have not, negative. He will not. He will have not talked. The third one is will he have talked? Will he have talked? It's questioning. Will he have talked? Why? Why will he have talked? Why will he have talked? Now we talk about the present perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. In this perfect continuous, the example is present perfect continuous tenses. The example is he has been talking. He has been talking. He has been talking. The second one is he has, negative, he has not been talking. So third one is has he been talking is questioning. Has he been talking? Has he been talking? Questioning. The fourth one is why has he been talking? Now we talk about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. In this, the first example is he had been talking. He had been talking. He had not means hadn't been talking. The third one is had he had been talking. He had been talking. Had he been talking? Had he been talking? Why had he been talking? The next one is why had he been talking? This is a question. And had he been also is a question. Now we talk about the future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. In this, the first one is he will have been talking. He will have been talking. He will have not been talking. He will have not been talking. Will he have been talking? Will he have been talking? Will he have been talking? Question. Why? Why will he have been talking? Why will he have been talking? So my dear friends, in this video, I told you all the tenses with examples. I hope you understand, and thank you my dear friends. Keep watching and stay tuned.